Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now I did originally talk in the workshop but made a mistake, so I'm now doing it as a voiceover, so my hands will be moving separately to my voice. Now I got this Deluxe Pen Turning Kit from Taylor's Murfield back at Maker Central 22, but this is the first time I'm actually getting to use it. Now inside there is an instruction manual that tells you about how to set it up. And then there are 5 slimline pen kits, one of which will be used in this video. Then there is the pen blank trimming tool with its little Allen key. And then 3 long high-speed drill bits, 6.8, 6.9 and 7mm bits. They're all marked up so that it's easy to distinguish which is which. And then there is a little spanner and a little lock nut. And then the mandrel itself, which will fit the Coronet Herald. The 7mm spacers, which will be used with this kit. And then little cones to fit any size pen kit. And then I also got the tailstock mandrel support just to stabilize it and protect the kit itself. So I'm using the 6.8mm drill bit for this, and it's a piece of teak that I'll be using as my blank. Now the teak was from a garden bench that has weathered, so there was some cracking and punkiness, but I will seal those up with some CA glue very soon. But first I decided to prepare the brass tubes so that when I glue up they can go in at the same time as well. So just a bit of a sanding just to key the surface. So I'm using O3 adhesive thin just so that it can penetrate right into that punkiness and cracks and really seal that up. Did a couple of coats on that. And then I used the medium just to insert the brass tubes and glue them. Now that did set quite quickly, so I had to work quickly and make sure I don't stick myself to the piece. And then obviously just quickly trimming up the barrels. Now the tailstock support was very useful in stabilizing the mandrel compared to what I had previously, so it definitely was worth the purchase. So again, just using the thin O3 adhesive just to seal in any of the cracking that was missed before. So having finished with the skewer, I brought it close to the final thickness as the sanding would knock it back to where I needed it to be. So here I am using the Chestnut Products Nye Web just to knock the sanding sealer back before moving on to the Yorkshire grit. Now I did leave the microcrystalline wax to dry for about 20 minutes before I came back to buff it up. So I just took a few moments to consider the assembly of the pen and also how I wanted the wood to be presented on the pen itself. I don't have a pen press, so I just carefully did it with a set of clamps, but this worked easily enough. to get the assembly done. Well, thank you for joining me in Jix's shed. Well, this was a really nice fun one to do. Obviously pens always make nice, easy, quick gifts, which this one will be. But I was really pleased to find some teak still that I'd left over from what Dave the Mole Valley Maker gave me, as it worked really well with the gold effect of the pen. And yeah, despite some flaws in there, the O3 adhesives really worked well in sealing that up as well. And yeah, I'm really pleased with the outcome of this. I hope you enjoyed that quick video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. But just before we go, I've got a few more shout outs from Maker Central to do. So I'm firstly going to show from Sneaks Wall Art. Now I've got a sticker from Sneaks before, it's on the board somewhere behind me, but this time he also gave us a sticker for Mama Sneak, so who accompanied him there at Maker Central. Really lovely lady, and yeah, great pair there. So then also got to meet Dave from Dave G Designs. Do go and check out his channel, some nice stuff that he works on as well. I've also got to speak to the guys over at Woodwork Supply, and then hung around at Taylor Smurfield with their True Grit, so they gave me one of their stickers. I've not used that yet still, but I will give that a go some point. And then also got to meet the lovely Ruth and Sean over at Kids Invent Stuff again, and had a nice chat there as well. But yeah, so these will go up on my board and everything. But yeah, if you've got stickers and you want to swap with me, just drop me a message on my Instagram or Facebook, and we can arrange something. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care.